Shared a future as one. Maya-maya po ang kanilang pong cake na kinuha ay ibabahagi nila sa bawat isa. Yan. So Dion and Chloe, kindly put it to the provided plate. After that, proceed here to the center. Okay, first beautiful one. Sir Dion, go. Wow. So, gentle. Napakasarap naman ang cake na iyan. So sweet. Now, Mrs. Garces, it's time for you to share the cake to your husband. Yay! So tipid naman. Kiss